Hi, I'm Cooper and I'm an interior designer here at Studio M Metricon. So I started studying interior design straight out of high school. I've studied both in Geelong and in Melbourne. After I finished studying, I started in this industry selling flooring, so hard flooring and carpets, which was sort of crucial into developing my customer skills, so customer-facing skills, but also knowledge in the industry too. I then moved to Metricon and started my journey in residential interior design, where I've sort of started on the smaller projects we do, looking at investments, and slowly worked my way through to our more detailed, higher spend jobs. A big part of what I do is more on the creative side, so specifying materials and finishes for our customers' homes, everything through bricks all the way through to doorstops internally, so covering all bases. There's quite a lot for them to select with me. Probably the main part of my role though is more the admin side of things. So once I finish with the customer, I then prepare a colour schedule and formalise quotes for the customers. I then see that through all the way through to site, so often liaising with other suppliers as the build progresses, but also the customer as the build progresses, and our site team and other team members estimating, drafting, yeah. Really need to be able to communicate. I think strong communication skills are really important, both internally with other team members, but also externally with our customers and suppliers. You also obviously need to have some sort of creative mind to be able to do an interior design role too. I've developed those skills by both formal study but also hands-on experience. Being face-to-face with customers in studio, you need to be able to communicate things effectively and clearly to them, even though they may not always be positive. You need to be able to communicate that. I really enjoy being able to work really closely with customers on their dream home. Being able to follow it through from design concept to site is really special, and it's a real privilege to be part of that process with all of our customers. I would say it's balancing design ideas with reality. So factoring in things like budget and timelines is probably the greatest challenge. On top of that, communication is a big challenge too. So sometimes we're not always communicating good things to customers. So being able to communicate negative things to customers is quite a challenge sometimes. I try and do it always with honesty. I find customers really appreciate an honest answer when it's not positive. I see myself and my career developing by becoming a senior interior design consultant here at Studio M. Being more of a senior role, I would love to be the go-to person for both customers and also our newer interior designers. Yeah, I think that would be a really exciting opportunity for me. I would say be willing and open to learning. We're in an industry where things are constantly changing always. I think we're so lucky to be in an industry like that, but you need to be willing to learn, willing to change, and willing to adapt to those changes.